Okay everyone, so the first line of the song goes like this. So it starts on 12th fret of second string, give 2 strokes, hammer on 13, 12, 10, 12, 12 and slide down to 13, 10, 5, 13, 12, 8. So what you're playing is okay, you have to play this line one more time. Right, now the next line goes like this. Okay, again starts on 12th fret of second string, 2 strokes, hammer on 13, 12, 10, 8, 6, 8 and slide down to 13, 2 strokes on 13, 8, 6, 8 and slide down to 13, 2 strokes on 13. Okay, so what you're playing for this line is right, now the next line goes like this. So it starts on 10th fret of second string, 10 and hammer on 12, 13, 12, 13, 12, 10. Play this one more time. 12 and hammer on 13, 10 and hammer on 12, 13, 12, 13, 12, 10. Then give a stroke on 8th fret and slide down to 10, stroke on 10. So what you're playing for this line is right, I hope you got that. Now let's move on to the next part. The first line of the next part goes like this. So it starts on 9th fret of third string. So 9, 7, 9, 7, 5. Then again 9, 7, 9, 7, 2 strokes on 5, 4, 2. Again 9, 7, 9, 7, 5. So what you're playing is okay, now the next part goes like this. Okay, so it starts on 9th fret of third string, 9, 7, 9, 9 and hammer on 10, 9, 7, 5, 2, 5 and slide down to 9, 2 strokes on 9. What you're playing for this line is Now the next line goes like this. Right, give 2 strokes on 5th fret of 3rd string, 2 strokes on 4th fret, 2 strokes on 2nd fret, then give a stroke on 4th fret and slide down to 7, 2 strokes on 7. So the playing for this line is okay. Now you have to play this whole part one more time, so let's play it together really slow one more time. Right, I hope you got that. Then after that again play the first part. Till here. Then after that again and this is how it will end. Okay, I hope you got that. Now I guess that's it for the tutorial of Senorita, sung by Shawn, Mendes and Camila Cabello. I hope this video was helpful in the types for that song, and for any doubts, quiz or request, get in touch with me on Instagram. My Insta ID is right over here. And please don't forget to drop a like for this video, and please also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching.